How would you like to lose weight, burn fat, and get in great shape in just 12 minutes a day? That's it. 12 minutes a day. We've got 24 hours in a day. Just 12 minutes and you can burn fat for 24 hours. You'll stay in fat burning mode. How do we do it? The Rebounder. I've got a Zoo Papa mini trampoline here. I don't have a Rebounder with springs. These have the bungee cords. That's the one I recommend. They're excellent. So why is rebounding so good? For a number of reasons. Number one, what happens with rebounding, you release the human growth hormone. Okay, that activates this hormone-sensitive lipase enzyme that starts to burn fat. So, you know, this is a very good exercise for those that are overweight, want to start to lose weight. And even for people like me, I look skinny, but my body fat percentage is not where I want it to be. Sometimes even skinny people hold a lot of fat inside the body. So, you know, this is a great exercise. It has another advantage. It opens up the gates of the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is the vacuum cleaner for your body. So it opens up the gates and your body starts to eliminate wastes through sweating, through the colon, through the bladder. So, you know, this cannot be beat, really, the Rebounder. I highly recommend it. The other thing it's great for is longevity. It'll keep you living, functioning much, much longer. Okay, so get a Rebounder, start doing this. I'm going to show you what you do. Now, this is a HIIT routine, or a high intensity interval training. HIIT, I'm sure most of you have heard of that. And what you do is you go hard for 30 seconds. Okay, I've got my Garmin watch on, so I'm going to time myself. So I go hard for 30 seconds as fast as I can, like I'm running for my life. And you can start off a little slow. I don't want anybody to get hurt. And older people, you have to get used to a trampoline, get your balance for, you know, just jump lightly on it for a week or two or whatever it takes you to get your balance going, and then start to speed it up, you know, gradually. So you're going hard for 30 seconds. Then you take 90 seconds recovery. Okay, so during that recovery, you've activated now that hormone-sensitive lipase enzyme and you're burning fat. But the great thing about the Rebounder is you burn fat the rest of the day for another 24 hours. So, you know, with the high intensity training, much, much better than doing a slow jog. See, you don't activate as much fat burning. So you go hard for 30, you recover for 90 seconds, but during that recovery, you're going to be moving a little bit. You don't completely stop. And we'll talk about some other benefits of the Rebounder, because it's the acceleration, deceleration that activates every single cell in your body. So it's a fantastic tool. So, and what you're going to do, I'm going to do 6 sets. So it's 30 on, 90 recovery, and I'm at 2 minutes. And then at 2 minutes, 30 on, 90 recovery, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes. That's 6 6 reps you've done there, okay? 6 running for your life, 30 seconds, and that's it. So 12 minutes a day can burn fat, help you lose weight, and increase your longevity. So come on, you got to do it with me. I do this every day, okay? So I'm going to show you how you get out there, and you just start by, you know, warming up. You just go easy. You know, I may do this, well, maybe it's going to take a little bit more than 12 minutes, about 15 minutes, okay? Because I take 3 or 4 minutes just to warm up, and I might just do something like this, or, you know, just twist a little bit and just jog in place. I like to get the arms moving. So see, I'm getting the gates in my lymph system opened up. I mean, you get that just when you get out of bed and start walking, some of the gates in the lymph system will start to open up. But when you get on this rebounder, every gate in your lymph system opens up. And remember, that's the vacuum cleaner of your body. So I'm getting, you know, my breath, I'm starting to get a little activity with my lungs and my cardiovascular system. You want to get a little bit warmed up before you really go full out. And when I say 100%, you may start, even if you're only doing 70, 80% of full speed the first couple, and then by the 3rd or 4th one, you're really cranking it. So I've got my watch. Now you could have a clock on the wall or whatever. I love my Garmin watch. So I'm going to get that ready. Okay, so now I'm going to go 30 seconds at 70, 80%, and then I'm going to take 90, and I'm going to repeat that 6 times for a total of 12 minutes. Here we go. Okay, 30 seconds, and that's got my heart, whoo, really going. Now I got a 90-second recovery. have it. 12 minutes. 12 minutes a day. Come on, we can all do that. I'll tell you, that's not an easy 12 minutes because you're really getting the heart and the lungs super activated. So much oxygen running through your system and burning the fat. So try that. Please give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel, post any questions or comments, and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I put up a new video. I'll have more information on the rebounders, why they're so good for us. And that one there is called a Zupapa. Z-U-P-A-P-A, Zupapa. You can get them on Amazon. It's a great tool. I'm going to fruit up today. You better believe it. So fruit is going to be the main food that you want for energy. Fiber, water, fruit up. It's the key. All the best, guys. Have a great one. Make it a great one out there. Take care.